In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Microsoft Word document from your computer. The process is simple and straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to do it with ease. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the location of your Microsoft Word file on your computer. This step is crucial because you need to know exactly where the file is stored before you can delete it. If you're unsure of the location, you can use your computer's search function. Just type in the name of the file or a keyword and it should pop up in the search results. Once you've found it, go to that specific folder or directory where the file is located. Now that you're at the correct location, let's move on to the actual deletion of the file. Locate the Microsoft Word document that you want to delete. Once you've found it, simply right-click on the file. You'll see a menu pop up with several options. Among these options, you'll find one that says Delete. Click on that option. A dialog box may appear, asking you to confirm whether you really want to move this file to the recycle bin. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and click Yes. And just like that, you're done. Your file is now in the recycle bin. However, keep in mind that when you delete a file, it doesn't completely vanish from your computer. It stays in the recycle bin, which acts as a safety net in case you change your mind and need to restore the file. If you're absolutely sure you no longer need the document, you can empty your recycle bin to permanently delete it. To do this, right-click on the recycle bin icon on your desktop and select Empty Recycle Bin. As a tip, remember to double-check the contents of your recycle bin before emptying it to avoid losing any files you might need in the future. Regularly clearing out your recycle bin can also help in freeing up disk space on your computer. And there we have it, a quick and easy way to delete a Microsoft Word file from your system. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help.